There is nothing quite as satisfying as breaking in that new Android phone fresh out of the box. But after you have stuck on a case and screen protector, what should you do next? Follow these handy tips to protect your phone and customize it for your daily life. So first start with general setup tips. When you are first setting up your new phone, make sure you are enable a screen lock or passcode to protect your phone. This can be either a passcode or a fingerprint, depending on what you are comfortable with. Locking your phone will help protect your data. You can also set up remote wiping, which will render the phone useless if it is lost or stolen. Since many apps have your banking information, remotely wiping your phone in case of theft will help protect you if you can't get it back. After the phone is secure, run all updates required. A new model phone will have fewer updates than an older model. This can take some time, so leave the phone plugged in since updates can drain the battery quickly. Also make sure you run these updates on Wi-Fi, not your data plan. Now that your phone is up to date, you can disable any bloatware you don't find useful and uninstall or disable unused apps. Android does have a habit of installing apps that you can't delete, but when you disable them, you prevent them from receiving updates and clogging your phone's memory. Checking on your apps and eliminating ones you are not using should be a part of your regular phone maintenance. When you remove old apps, you help extend the life of your phone and keep your phone's memory clear. Now next is notifications and permissions. Part of the installation process is deciding how many notifications you want to receive. Apps tend to default to excessive notifications, so by adjusting how many you want to receive, you can reduce how often your phone goes off. Set up app permissions. Many self-care blogs will tell you to put your phone down a few hours before bed to ensure the blue light doesn't disturb your sleep patterns. But it can't be hard to put down your phone, can't it? On new Android devices, you can activate a blue light filter that will turn your phone's light from cool to warm as it gets closer to sunset. Not only is this easier on your eyes, but it keeps the light dimmer if you check your phone in the middle of the night. It will automatically click back to cool night in the morning, and it even adjusts tail length as the seasons change. On Pixel phones, this setting is called night mode. On Samsung devices, it's called the blue light filter. Google Voice. Google Voice lets you set up how you want to receive and make calls by giving you a custom number that you can use to connect multiple devices. You can also send free text and enjoy low-cost international calls. Voicemails are also automatically translated. Link devices. If you use Bluetooth headphones, speakers, or other devices, you will want to test your phone's connectivity with each one. Connect and disconnect from each device to make sure there are no issues with sound quality and the connection. Avast Mobile Security. Avast is a free antivirus app that protects your phone from malware. This is especially useful if your phone is set to automatically connect to free Wi-Fi where possible. It can even help you manage social media and block unwanted calls. SwiftKey Keyboard. If you prefer to text instead of talk, then the SwiftKey keyboard can help you text even faster. Rather than typing with two thumbs, SwiftKey lets you swipe your letters with one finger and release when you have completed the word. It will then automatically space over and let you start the next word. As you type, it learns your common phrases and perfect spellings. There are also themes you can add to customize your phone. Games. Android-based games are getting better and better, especially on the newer, faster devices. If you like puzzles, there are plenty. Strategy and racing games are also popular, and new game designers are even designing some that take full advantage of the handheld phone for an immersive AI experience. Whatever your preference, when browsing for games, make sure to read reviews to see if the game is safe. Google does a great job of clearing out suspicious apps, but you can protect yourself by not downloading apps that require excessive permissions or have bad reviews. Doing so can help protect your phone and ensure you get the most life out of it for your money.